Hello everyone, welcome back. Have you ever been captivated by a YouTube video or from any other channels in a language you don't understand, wishing you could unlock its secrets? So the struggle ends now. Okay, so thanks to Dubverse AI. In our current demo, we are thrilled to showcase Dubverse AI, an AI tool that eliminates language barriers by dubbing videos into your own preferred language. This revolutionary technology opens up a world of content, allowing you to enjoy videos in any language with ease. So now let's discover now as how Dubverse AI can transform your viewing experience by seamlessly bridging the gap between you and the content you love. So
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
now let's enjoy with a demo. Okay. So this is the part actually. Okay, dubverse.ai, when you give, it will land up in this page. So here we can see get dubbing, get subtitle. There is text to speech also. Okay, and we will be seeing this get dubbing in detail. Okay, so before entering into this get dubbing, we must have some source, right? That which language or which YouTube channel or which video that I want to translate it to into a different language. For example, it could be English to Hindi, or it could be from English to Spanish, English to French. Okay, so for that purpose, I will be using this. Okay, just for this is the English YouTube channel, just for demo purpose, not for anything else. Okay, so now I will run it for a short time actually. So, like what is the language and what is the
In this
accent?
video,
It's
we have
English
shown
actually.
how we can generate mini shorts by using the magic of Clap. Simply
For a short
put,
span of time, I will
this
give.
tool is mind-blowing. Clap is the amazing tool to turn videos into shorts. So right now, just click the link in the description, go to login and sign up, that's it. Then get a YouTube link and paste it here and click on Generate TikToks. This whole process will take about 10 minutes, so let this magic tool do its magic. So you can see here it is.
So now you might have got some glimpse, right? What is this video about and what is the language? Some information you might have got. So I'm taking this as uh, the link to be transformed to my own language. I'll be using here as Hindi. Okay. So I'll be going here. I am clicking get dub. And this is the place where I want to, what to say, convert this English to my Hindi language. So I'll be pasting here. Okay, you can use browse, or you can use the means like from my device you can use. And then let's see. Okay, so now it has been ready. Okay, now we need to give further more informations, like we must need to select the language, right? And who should be the speaker. Okay, so like so here I am the target language, right? There are a lot of languages, like you can see Arabic and like Arabic, Egypt, Bengali is there. Okay, and English India is there, like United Kingdom English, Finland French, like that. There are a lot of options are there. For better understanding, let me choose Hindi. Okay, it's a Hindi. And now see, from this Hindi, these are the people, the translators. That means they will be reading, like we have male, we have female. Okay, so let me choose like a male. Okay, so you can see Sean, Anand, all the peoples are here. Okay, so let me choose Akash. Okay, nothing. Okay, I will choose Akash. Anything you can use. Now I'm going to do, let's dub. Okay, so let's wait. Wait. Yes, mistakenly it has failed. Just hold on. Input language is English. Okay. I'm choosing the speakers once again. So the target language, I'm going with Hindi. And I am choosing, for example, now, let me choose male voice. Let me choose Srivastav. Okay. Now let's dub. Yeah, it's processing. Just hold. There could be some technical glitch case. Okay. It may take a little short time. So now it's ready. So now let's see. Okay, it has been ready. Now let's play it. Okay. Now let's see how it has come actually. Okay.
इस वीडियो में हमने दिखाया है कि कैसे हम क्लैप के
It's in
जादू
Hindi,
का
right?
उपयोग करके मिनी
You can
शॉर्ट्स
see the
उत्पन्न
subscribe
कर
down
सकते
also.
हैं। सीधे शब्दों में कहें, यह उपकरण दिमाग उड़ाने वाला है। ताली अद्भुत उपकरण है, वीडियो को शॉर्ट्स में बदल दें। तो अभी बस विवरण में लिंक पर क्लिक करें, लॉगिन पर जाएं और साइन अप करें बस। फिर एक YouTube लिंक प्राप्त करें और इसे यहां पेस्ट करें और जनरेट टिकटॉक पर क्लिक करें। डबवर्स द्वारा संचालित। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि यह यहाँ है। हमने आसानी से मिनट के लंबे वीडियो से मिनी शॉर्ट वीडियो तैयार किए हैं। हम उसके लिए किसी भी लंबाई के वीडियो का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। यह हमें उन नए जनरेट किए गए
Yeah. So now due to time constraints, I could not play the long video, but for sure it will end up properly. And you too can try. So in case like if you are struck up, if you want to know the video in different languages, if you want to learn from different languages, and for example, you can share it to your friends, right? Some people, they may not be able to understand English properly. So their own languages, their native languages, if it is been translated or if it can be dubbed, that can be helpful, right? Here it is giving the script also, right? So definitely that can help you a lot. So this is a wonderful tool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye bye.